Alright guys, welcome to your 13th tutorial, lucky number 13. And in this tutorial we're going to be finishing up our coding for this sweet program we got going on here. So, enough with the intro, let's go ahead and get right into it. So, we're going to be building this switch change method right now. And this is the method that gets called whenever you click one of them switches. Pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and build this right now. Alright, so let me give myself some space in the body right there. And the first thing we need to do is, well, let's go ahead and rename that sender. Go UI switch and just name it my switch. Again, guys, don't name it switch because look at that. Whenever you click it, it turns pink. That means built-in because I think it's trying to use a switch statement. So yeah, definitely don't want to do that. And now I just ruined my code. Alright, so go ahead and name it my switch or anything but switch. And what you want to do now is set this equal to UI switch pointer to sender. Alright, now I have to tell you guys something. Well, I guess I can tell you in the next line of code. Alright, the next thing we need to do is make a boolean and just name it like YN for yes, no, or something. And now go ahead, my switch, and go ahead and put is on. Now let me tell you guys about this neat little tip. Whenever you hold down option and double click any method, it gives you this nice little pop-up, and you can do this for any method. And what this is on method is a built-in method that returns a boolean, either yes or no. This YN variable is going to return yes if the switch is on, and it's going to return no if the switch is off. So this is a built-in method attribute to any switch you have on your program. So now, why is that informative? Bucky, why did you just tell me that? Well, remember, whenever, well, let's go ahead and finish this coding, then I'll tell you. Left switch set on YN. So again, let me go ahead and finish. I'm getting way too excited here. So animated and yes. So now let's go ahead and copy this for right switch. Right. There we go. Set on, yes or no, animated, yes. Alright, a couple things I need to talk to you guys about. So here's what's happened. In here, all we did is we renamed this sender to my switch so we don't have to use this every time. It's a lot easier to see. Right here, we're seeing, alright, is your switch on or off? If it's on, I'm going to store this boolean to yes. If it's off, I'm going to set this equal to no. So then it takes that boolean, takes those settings, and either changes both the switches to yes or no, and pretty much turns them on or off. So, yeah, I mean, that way we can use this one method to handle both of the switches. No matter what the sender is, the other switch gets changed along with it. So again, if you think you're done coding, not yet. Go ahead and you need to release all your objects. Left switch, release, right switch, release, and of course that button we retained, not button pressed, don't want to release that, that's a method, button, release. And guys, if you're wondering about this method, I didn't forget about it, button pressed. We're going to be handling that in the next couple tutorials. But anyways, we got stuff to do in this tutorial, so you know. And I don't know how much time I have, so you know I might be running out of time here. So go ahead and quit this iPhone simulator, and go ahead and build this, and see if we got any errors. Failed too. So let's go ahead and debug this right now. And what we did is we forgot a semicolon. So yeah, didn't I do that in like the last tutorial? So now let's go ahead and, why did it say I got 2 errors? So go ahead and build this, and I probably got another one. Nope, succeeded. Alright, so we are good to go with this tutorial, and yeah, actually, you know what? I thought we were going to hop in Interface Builder right now, but I don't know how much time I have on my tutorial, because you know, this version of Camtasia, it doesn't tell you how long. One of the features that people at Camtasia, you should definitely add that. So yeah, I'm going to save the Interface Builder for the next tutorial, and well, it's going to be awesome. That's all I can tell you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you then.